When you lower the BMW M2 and M2 competition, the anti-roll bars get moved into new positions. This new position can cause additional stress on the standard anti-roll bar bushes, and it can also, in some extreme cases, cause interference between the roll bar and the chassis. At this point, adjustable drop links can be fitted to the car to set the roll bars back to their OEM location. A further benefit of our adjustable drop links is when a car is fitted with coilovers and is corner weighted, the slight difference in ride heights left to right can cause tension in the anti-roll bar. This stored tension means that in one direction over the other, the anti-roll bar is going to be more effective on turning. This can cause a difference in feel left to right and a difference in grip levels left to right. With adjustable drop links fitted, this tension can be removed at ride height and can cause even handling in left and right hand directions. All of our products are designed and manufactured in-house here at Suspension Secrets on our CNC machines. This gives us full control over the manufacturing processes and the output quality of all of our components for our customers.